A recent project that I really enjoyed working on was for Mead Metals in Shoreview, Minnesota. Mead Metals came to us with wanting an addition to their warehouse space to improve efficiencies. We started the Envision phase in spring of 2019, wrapped up that with an idea that they needed about 1 acre to purchase, then build the addition that they needed. Construction kicked off early 2021 and completed phase 1 in December of 2021. Phase 2, which was the 3,500 square foot office remodel, picked up early in 2022 and recently completed, with them moving back in after new furniture, paint, wall coverings were updated. The client who recently reached out to me let me know that they recently have determined that they have about a 50% increase in output since their warehouse addition was completed. At this point, that's a huge milestone considering they haven't been able to add staff, yet increased output ahead of even putting in some of the new production machines. Usually I get 2 questions asked. How can we save money on this project? Which all clients do, and we always try to figure out the best way to use their resources. But the main question is, how do we maximize the space that we're going to build? And so we work real hard to work on those efficiencies and how we can better serve the space for them to provide those needs that they're looking for. With the Mead Metals project, the outcome was a 28,000 square foot warehouse addition that improved their productivity flow and warehousing capabilities. With a new shipping and loading dock area, allows them to process materials faster in and outcome, which has allowed to increase their productivity by about 50% in the short amount of time that the addition's been operational.